Hello students, today's topic is Newton's first law of motion. Now Newton's first law of motion gives us the qualitative definition of force. That is, it tells us about the quality of force. Now what does it tell? An object at rest remains at rest, or an object in uniform motion. So here students, we have to remember that when an object is in which motion? Uniform motion, then it will remain in the uniform motion until and unless some external unbalanced force. So this is also important, that the external force which is acting on the object, which is either in rest or in uniform motion, then this unbalanced force is capable of changing the state of an object either from rest to motion, or from it will allow it to move with the same speed, that it will continue moving in uniform motion. So this is the definition which Newton's first law of motion gives us. Okay. Now this law is also called the law of inertia. Now the question comes, what is inertia? Inertia is an inherent property of all matter to resist or oppose any change in its state of rest or in its state of motion. Okay? If the object is in uniform motion, it will continue to remain in motion. Okay? And if it is in rest, it will remain at rest. This is the property of inertia. Now, if we have to change this state, if we have to bring it from inertia of rest to motion, we have to apply some force. Now see, I am applying force upward direction. I remove, now it moves. It moves under the force of gravity. Now if it is moving, then I have to apply some force to stop it. Right? Now the force which I applied, that was external as well as unbalanced. Now if it is moving in this direction like this, I want to change the direction, then again I have to apply the force. So inertia is an inherent property of all matter to resist any change in its state of rest or uniform motion, or it will continue to move in the same direction. Okay. Now students, just see. This is a duster and it is wooden. It is only sponge. If I tell you, okay, I am going to throw the duster towards you, then to the other student I say, I am going to throw the sponge towards you. Who will be scared? The one whom I am hitting with duster. And the one who is being hit by a sponge will not be worried about anything. Why? Now the difference in mass. Yes. Now just consider another situation. Right? There is a truck and a bicycle coming towards you, approaching you with the same speed. So you will be afraid of a moving truck or a moving bicycle. Right? Or if you have to stop, then you will be able to stop a moving truck or a moving cycle with the applied force. Obviously you will say, ma'am, I can't stop truck. Yes, I will try to stop the bicycle. It means the bicycle which was in motion. Okay? Motion. Truck and cycle. Okay? Both are in motion. Now you have to stop. If you have to stop, you have to bring it from motion to rest. You have to apply some force. You have to apply some force. So It is difficult to stop truck and it is easy to stop a cycle. Now the speed is same. It means there is difference in the mass. Truck is very massive as compared to cycle. So mass is the measure of inertia. A heavy object has more mass, so it has more inertia. So we have to apply more external unbalanced force to change the state either from rest to motion or vice versa. Thank you.